We'll guide you through how to get the latest news for Dropbox. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to Dropbox.com. Once you're there, sign into your account if you haven't already. After signing in, look for the Help or Support section, typically located at the bottom of the homepage. Click on it and you'll be directed to the Dropbox Help Center. In the Help Center, you can find the News and Updates section. This is where Dropbox shares all the latest features, updates, and announcements. Click on News and Updates to see a list of recent articles and posts directly from Dropbox. Each article will give you detailed information about new features, changes, or any important announcements. If you want to stay constantly updated, consider subscribing to Dropbox's newsletter if you haven't already. Usually, there will be an option to sign up for email updates within the News and Updates section. This way, you'll receive the latest news directly in your inbox. Additionally, you can follow Dropbox on their social media channels like Twitter or Facebook, where they often post updates and news as well. Remember, keeping up with the latest updates ensures you're using Dropbox to its fullest potential and taking advantage of all the new features. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.